Hi you guys, glad to see you back. Well, have you ever been driving during the day through traffic, or it could be at night through traffic? You're driving along and all of a sudden you turn your turn signal on and it doesn't work. The part doesn't cost that much. To have it done, it's going to cost you a few bucks depending where you go. If you go to a dealership, they're going to charge you a lot of money, of course. I can show you how to remove and replace your turn signal flasher. It's pretty easy. All you're going to need is a flat screwdriver and a flasher. You can find the flashers at a parts store for anywhere from $6 to $15 depending on where you go. So why don't we get to work and show you how to do that. Okay, so we first want to grab our flat screwdriver, and what we're going to do is we're going to stick it in this panel on the left and right side only. Do not do the top and bottom, only the left and right. I'll show you in this video. Okay, so what we need to do is to take a screwdriver back here and just very carefully try not to put any pressure on the edge there because it's towards the back. What you want to do is to get your screwdriver and just slightly move it out. Be careful here not to tear that. Same thing here, and just ease it out. Don't touch this edge. You'll feel the back end here. And just move it out slowly but surely. And it should come out. It's got a little snap to it for some reason. Okay. All right, now that box, okay, what you're looking for is something like this, square. It's off to the side here. You kind of got to look for it. It's probably the only thing that's in there that's square. Yeah, here you go. It was clipped in there. You can see the clip. Okay. All right, so before you take it out, see you got 3 of those there. We want to take it out the same way or put it back in the same way. So let's unplug it. Okay. So it goes that way. Okay. Now we're going to plug it back in. I'm going to put it on the side there. You don't have to clip it in. And then just make sure you have this right side up. You know, the off on trunk. Just slide that back in. Okay. Okay, the moment of truth. There you go. It's my right blinker. All right. Well, I guess we're all done, and it works. Awesome. Okay, guys, I hope this video helped you out a lot and saved you some money. It saved me some money. Check out my other detailed videos that I put up. I'm sure you'll like them. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.